Alright, so welcome back to our 30 days Python challenge. So today is day 7 and we are looking at sum of digits now. So we're going to write a program to find the sum of digits given a natural number. So you input a number that is here and then the output will show the sum of this digit now. Just like you have 1, 3, 4, 5 and the sum of this digit is 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. And that is exactly what we are doing. So pause this video and give it a try, then we come back to see my solution. So this should be an easy one. Alright, I hope you've given this a try. So now let's come back, let's give it a solution here. So I'm just going to go ahead and maximize this and give it a try. So okay, so the first thing we always have to do as usual is our n, collect our input, and now you have an input right here. I guess it's I'm going to say enter given natural number. So we're collecting a natural number right here, and you're just saying enter given natural number. Then now I just want to have some digits right here, and I'm just going to say, so the first thing I want to do now is okay, some digits, and so let me just set it to 0 by default first. So the first thing I want to do right here is look through these digits. I'm going to say for R in, I'm going to go with D for D in. Yeah, okay, let's just say for digits in str n, right? So for digits in string format of these, I want to say some digits now will be something like plus equal integer format of these digits right there. So some digits is going to be integer format of these digits, and that will be my sum digits. So I can just go ahead and print out using formatted string. I'm going to say sum of digits in n is some digits. So let's go ahead and run this program now and see. So I should enter 1, 2, 3. Sum of digits in n is 6. And what about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 21. And you can see that is well accurate. Alright, before we end this challenge, so one more way you can do this in order to simplify your code. Let's say you want to write a one-liner, I can just go ahead and say sum digits right here is equals to, now you can just say sum, but you want to put this loop inside this place right here. So I'm putting this loop right here, and inside this loop, what am I getting? I'm getting an integer version of this before. So this is what I'm returning. It's just like your for loop, then what you're returning from this for loop, then the sum of everything that you return from that for loop. So I can go ahead and run this again. 1, 2, 3. I should still get my 6. Then I should go again with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should still get 21. Alright, so that's a work quite alright. So that was so fast and simple. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code Drew, for more videos like this, and let's improve your problem solving skills and coding skills together. Bye bye, see you next time.